How to enable cookies on Google Chrome. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can enable cookies on Google Chrome. To do so, first of all, you will need to open your Chrome browser on your device and here make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are logged into your Google account, here at the top right, you will be able to see three dots icon. Tap on it and from this menu, here you will need to scroll down and select settings option. Tap on settings. Once after doing that, you will be taken to the settings page. Here you will need to scroll down and find site settings. Once you locate it, tap on it to open it. And here you will need to find cookies option. Scroll down and here under content, you will be able to see third-party cookies. Tap on this option. By doing so, here you will reach to this page where you will be able to see three different options. If you want to allow or enable third-party cookies, you will need to select the first one. Here, sites will work normally. And if you want to block the third-party cookies, which will be blocked only in incognito mode. You'll also get the third option that says block third-party cookies. Here, some of the features may not work, but related sites can still use third-party cookies. If you want to select this option, you can tap on this little circle ahead of it and select it. If you want to add a new exception, you can tap on add site exception option and then here you will need to enter the web address. After that, you will be able to add it. Also, you will be able to get more information about these options. For that, you need to tap on the arrow at the left side and then there you will be able to access some more information about that option. So by following these steps, you should be able to enable cookies on Google Chrome. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.